In this video, I'll show you how to make a Game Pass in Roblox. So let's get into it. Start by heading to your browser and search the Roblox website, which is roblox.com. You want to click on Login and then log in to your account. Up on the top tabs, you want to select Create. You should be redirected to the Creator Hub. If this is your first time coming to the Creator Hub page, you will be shown this screen. If that is the case, you want to go to the URL section and type create.roblox.com. So I will just remove this /landing in the URL, and that should bring you to the Creator Hub. Once you're on the Creator Hub, head over to the side panel and select Creations. Make sure you're on the Experiences tab, then create or select the experience you want to create a pass for. If you want to add a Game Pass to something like PLS Donate, then you can use the default experience here. It will mention your username and place. In my case, it's Vic's Guides Place. Scroll down the side menu and find the monetization section, then select Passes. Click the Create a Pass button. At the top, you will see a pass image. This is the default image. You can leave this as it is, or click the Change button to use a custom Game Pass icon. I will just use the default image. You can name the Game Pass to whatever you like. I will just call it Game Pass. You can add a description if you want, and you can skip that. Click on the Create Pass button. Now, select the Game Pass you just created to open the settings. Then go over to the left panel and select Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale option, then select the box and enter a price. This is how much the Game Pass will cost. Keep in mind that as the creator, you will only receive 70% of the sale price, while Roblox will take 30%. So that's why it shows the creator earning as 70 Robux, while the price is 100 Robux. Click on Save Changes when done. Go back to the Passes page. Hover over your Game Pass, then click on this three-dot icon and select Open in New tab. Here you can see your Game Pass with all of the details. If you can't see your Game Pass in game, then be sure to refresh the menu or game. If that doesn't fix it, then go back to the Passes page. Head to the side menu and select Settings. Set the privacy to public. This will make your experience public. Save changes, then refresh your game. Now, you can make a Game Pass in Roblox. Like the video if you found it helpful.